buy one balloon?
No, I don't want anything. Get aside.
Mom, at least buy one balloon. Dad, there's someone to meet you.
Who is there?
I don't know.
Sir, what type of father are you? Who sends his child to sell balloons on roads? Do you want to go to school, my child?
Yes, Dad, I want to go to school.
Sorry, ma'am, I will send my son to school.
And employment of children under 14 years of age.
Hey, Arun, you know, I can set up my own Zoroastrian college. Wait, what kind of college is this? A college that comprises of all types of modern education, including as a secular country. If you do so, other people are going to question it.
Yes, cultural and educational rights are guaranteed by the Constitution to religious and linguistic minority groups in India to enable them to preserve their distinct culture, language, or spirit.
Dad, can you please give me 3,000 rupees? Our school is conducting a trip to Nainital. 3,000 rupees? You're not going anywhere.
Nainital, can you please give me 3,000 rupees for that?
Okay, my child, I'm giving you 3,000 rupees. Enjoy. Dad, but why did you allow my brother to go and not me? Because he's a boy and you're a girl. You're not allowed to go anywhere. This is wrong. You can't do this to me. I have the right to equality. Maybe you're right. I didn't realize what the wrong I was doing. Sorry, my child. I realized my mistake. I'm giving you also rupees 3,000. Go and enjoy.
He seems to have all the qualifications for the job, which makes him an eligible candidate. What do you think?
Ma'am, but you don't have any right to discriminate against me on the basis of my caste. This is absolutely wrong, ma'am. I will file a lawsuit against your company regarding this. The rules you are following conflict with the rights of lower caste citizens.
After the lawsuit was filed and the case reached the court, a final decision was made by the judges which stated that the company had to change its rules and give Mr. Nishant the job since he was the perfect candidate for the job. Not only this, the court ordered the company. There is a right in India that states that the person can move to the Supreme Court if he or she wants to get their funding.
Proud day, and I think we can agree that this is a sign of love and peace. It's Constitution Day, comes once a year, so precious, so joyful, and it's pretty clear that it teaches us justice and liberty, teaches us how to show proper equality. Don't treat anyone different, we're all brothers and sisters, no matter what the religion or who were our ancestors. Let's keep up dignity and let us all pray for our India to be peaceful on this Constitution Day.
मेरा अंतर्मन घायल है, दुख की गाथें खोज रहा हूँ। मैं शक्ति का अमर गर्व हूँ, आजादी का विजय पर्व हूँ, पहले राष्ट्रपति का गुण हूँ, बाबा भीमराव अम्बेडकर का मन हूँ। रावण वक्त पर हंस लेता हूँ, दुर्योधन हंस कर रोता हूँ। मेरे वादे समता के हैं, दीन दुखी ममता के हैं। कोई भूखा नहीं रहेगा, कोई आंसू नहीं। मैं ऊपर से हरा भरा हूँ, संसद में का पार भरा हूँ। मैंने तो उपहार दिए हैं, मौलिक ही अधिकार दिए हैं। मुझमें लिखे उपचारों का क्यों ऐसा उपयोग किया है? मैं वही विधान हूँ, मैं भारत का अभिमान हूँ। धन्यवाद।
सुनो, जो मर मिट गए अपनी वतन, तब दिखा है फिर निश्चय भारतीय आवाजों का। चाहे हो वो बाबर सिकंदर या हो वो डलहौजी, अटल तिरंगा लहराने को वो खेल गए प्राणों की बाजी। 1857 में जो शुरू हुई थी जंग, 1947 में वह मेहनत लाई थी रंग। 90 वर्षों में कितनों ने अपनी बलि चढ़ाई थी, भारत की आजादी अपने प्राणों से कमाई थी। भूगोल बताता है भारत के आकार को, परंतु इतिहास वह दर्शाता है इसकी स्वतंत्रता के लिए प्यार को। जो अपने वतन के लिए खेल गए अपनी जान पर, गर्व है मुझे उनके सर्वोच्च बलिदान पर, गर्व है मुझे उनके सर्वोच्च बलिदान पर।
India, also known as Bharat, is a union of states. It is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. On 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950.
The Indian Constitution is unique in its context and spirit. The salient features of the Constitution are as follows: lengthy written Constitution, blend of rigidity and flexibility.
Dr. B.R. Prem Bihari hand-wrote the original constitution in Italian style, with each page embellished by Shantiniketan painters like as Mandar Ghosh. M.N. Roy first gave the idea of constitution in 1934. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru moved the objective resolution on 13 December 1946.
Bill cases that are 22 inches long and 16 inches broad. Our constitution was written in two languages, Hindi and English, in its original form.
The Indian Constitution continues to be effective as it can respond to changing situations, is dynamic, and is open to interpretation. It not only protects democracy, but it also allows for the evolution of new practices. Interrelation between fundamental rights and duties. The incremental journey of the formulation of the Indian Constitution provides liberty, freedom of speech, freedom of faith, and so on should be regarded as invalid under the circumstances, and that the shifting of majority in legislatures. Fundamental right is called the Magna Carta of India. Article 20 to 35 contained in Part 3 of the Constitution deal with fundamental rights. To help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. These duties set out in Article 51 of Part 4A of the Constitution.
Right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedy.
Manpower without unity is not a strength. I, Vallabhbhai Jawaharbhai Patel, commonly known as Sardar, I am an influential political leader, lawyer, barrister, and a statesman. I am also a senior politician and barrister of Indian National Congress, which played a huge role in the struggle of our independence. I have also guided my nation into its integration to form a united, independent nation.
Threatening or when aggression takes place, we cannot be and shall not be neutral. I, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, is very glad that our government with residuary powers in hands of center. Swaraj is our birthright and we all shall have it. Satyame Vijayate, the truth shall win.
A proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti-imperialistic ideas, I was an important person against the struggle against colonial rule. My literary work as a poet has earned me the sobriquet, the Nightingale of India, or Bharat Kokila. Thank you.
A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. Despite having various academic achievements in caliber, I struggled throughout my life to tell the society all humans are equal.
The first and the only Muslim woman in the Constitutional Assembly of India. I strongly supported for Zamindari abolition and oppose the demand for separate electorate based on religion. I totally oppose the idea of reservations in mind. Moreover, I had a deep interest in sports and literature and went on to write an autobiography titled Gujarat to Parliament, a Muslim woman reading politics.
And only because fundamental rights are the gift of the state, it does not follow that the state cannot qualify these laws.
हर शहर को ऐसी मिले जिसे छीनना किसी लेजिस्लेटर के लिए भी नामुमकिन हो, इसलिए हमें ऐसी आज़ादी चाहिए।
मेरा कहना है कि आजकल अखबार का है, प्रेस प्रतिदिन ये अवश्य है कि हम प्रेस की आज़ादी को दो बात से लिखें, अपने संविधान को साफ साफ और अलग से लिखें।
सर, मुझे नहीं पता कि बोलने की स्वतंत्रता को अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता से क्यों अलग रखा गया है।
The press has no special rights that a citizen in his own individual capacity cannot exercise. In my judgment, therefore, no special mention for the freedom of press is necessary.
Some of the members who were imprisoned by the Britishers wanted to ensure a person's freedom would not be compromised.
Ruling, they often kept people in custody without bringing them to trial. The High Court must have the power to ensure that a man is kept in detention only after a proper trial. No discrimination against any citizen on the grounds of religion, race, caste and language.
And what about sex? I want the word to be included in it. असमानता हटाने की बात करते वक्त आप लोग औरत और मर्द के
It will be considered illegal if you say no discrimination shall be made on the grounds of sex.
तो फिर हटा दीजिए इसे.
If you allow us to change this clause to read as follows, the state shall make no discrimination against any citizen on the grounds of religion, race, caste and language. Then shall we accept this law as an amendment?
Sir, the word directive is necessary, as it is to be understood as giving out certain directions to the future extended. They should exercise the power of the legislative and executive.
should also be familiar with their responsibilities and duties.
इतने ही जरूरी है राज्य के प्रति नागरिक के कर्तव्य। हमें उन्हें भी अपने संविधान में फौरन शामिल करना चाहिए।
However, it took time for the fundamental duties to become a part of the Constitution.
मैं पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू आप सभी को सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि सभा की सहमति के साथ निम्न मौलिक अधिकार संविधान में शामिल किए जाएंगे।
Civilized society,
Namely that every dispute citizens
or organizations of citizens
should be settled by peaceful means. And in view of the growing danger to the integrity and unity of the country, I hereby pledge myself never to resort, whether in my neighborhood or in any other part of India. Thank you.
Also get chance to grow. Over the years, we also grow a lot. In our school, nothing happens just by chance. And we very often get such special occasions. It's not only the classroom teaching of textbook and examinations, group work, everything. Okay? So schedule, your class teachers will let you know each class has got specific schedule. All the best for you.
मालकिन, क्या मुझे एक गिलास पानी मिलेगा? क्योंकि रोज तो मैं अपनी बोतल लाती थी, लेकिन आज लाना भूल गई।
बिट्टू, इनके लिए गिलास पानी लाओ। अरे इसमें नहीं, डिस्पोजेबल ग्लास में लाओ।
देखा आपने, हमारे समाज में समानता का अधिकार। संविधान कहता है कि हम सब समान हैं, इसलिए समानता हमारा अधिकार है। अधिकार है, अधिकार है ये।
माँ जी, इतनी मेहनत के बाद आखिरकार मेरी नौकरी लगी गई है। क्या मैं कल से काम पर जा सकती हूँ?
क्या नौकरी? तुम्हें क्या जरूरत है नौकरी करने की? मेरा बेटा कमाता तो है। तुम अपने घर के कामों पर ध्यान दो और ये नौकरी वोकरी का ख्याल अपने दिमाग से निकाल दो।
यही है हमारी स्वतंत्रता के अधिकार की परिभाषा। जो लोग दूसरों को आजादी नहीं देते, उन्हें इसका हक नहीं है। स्वतंत्रता हमारा अधिकार है। अधिकार है, अधिकार है, यही हमारा।
अरे ये कैसे काम कर रहे हो? जल्दी जल्दी हाथ चलाओ और वहाँ देखो वहाँ कितना गंदा है, जल्दी साफ करो।
सर, मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा हूँ, मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं। क्या मैं थोड़ी देर आराम कर लूँ?
आराम कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला। पहले अपने काम पर ध्यान दो, समझे?
हमारे संविधान के अनुसार 14 वर्ष से कम उम्र वाले बालक बालिकाओं से जबरदस्ती काम नहीं करवाया जा सकता। यह एक दंडनीय अपराध है। अपराध है, अपराध है।
माँ, मैं इसकी शिकायत दर्ज करूंगी।
नहीं, क्या कर रही हो तुम? पूरे समाज में हमारा नाम खराब करना चाहती हो? कोई जरूरत नहीं है जाने की।
लेकिन माँ, हमारे संविधान के आखिरी अधिकार के अनुसार अगर हमारे साथ कोई भी अन्याय होता है तो हम बिना फिक्र करे, हमारे संविधान के आखिरी अधिकार को सभी अधिकारों का सार माना गया है और इसके अनुसार सर्वोच्च न्यायालय को इन सबका संरक्षक माना गया है।